Lecture we will study the trick for finding cube root of numbers. In previous lecture we have studied how to find the cube of numbers. So you can check that video by the link given in the description box. So let us start for today's lecture. In today's lecture we will find the cube root of perfect cube numbers or perfectly cube numbers. For finding that you must know the cubes of few number, that is starting from 1 to 10. If you know these 10 numbers, you can easily find the cube root of any number which is perfect cube. So if you observe these all 10 cubes, you will find that the cube of 1 is 1, cube of 4 is 64, cube of 5 is 125, cube of 6 is 216. That is, in few numbers the last digit remain itself in the cube of few numbers, but the last digit changes for some numbers. So I have written those observations in the form of table. So you can observe in the cube of 1 last digit is 1, in the cube of 4 last digit is 4, in the cube of 5 last digit is 5, same for the 6, 9 and 0 also. But the last digit of 2 is 8, last digit of 3 is 7, last digit of 7 is 3, last digit of 8 is 2. That is, the last digit of 2 and 8 is vice versa, last digit of 3 and 7 is also vice versa. If you know this table, that is last digit of few numbers, then you can easily find the cube root. So let us start with example. Just remember this table, that is last digit in the cube of 1 is 1, 2 and 8 are interchangeable. That means last digit of cube of 2 is 8, whereas last digit of cube of 8 is containing 2. For 3 also vice versa, for 3 and 7, for 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 9, 9 and 0, 0. So let us take one example and understand the procedure how to find the cube root of particular perfectly cube numbers. So 4096 is example and we have to find the cube root of that. So divide the last 3 digit into one single group. So I have make one underline below that. 096 is my group of 3 digits and remaining digits will form one another group. That is 4 is only one digit remain, that will be a second group. So for first group 096, what is the last digit? That is 6. Therefore in whose cube 6 is there, that is in the cube of 6 last digit is 6. Therefore in our answer also last digit will be 6. In the cube of 6 last digit is 6. Therefore to find cube root last digit will be our 6. Therefore one digit we have finalized, that is our last digit of the answer will be 6. So concentrate on now first group. In first group only 4 is there. Observe that in whose cube 4 falls, that is in whose cube 4 falls. For example, 4 is in between the cube of 1 and 2. 1 cube is 1, 8 cube is 8. Therefore 4 lies between the cube of 1 and 2. Therefore we will take from that 1 and 2, always take the smallest value. The smallest value is 1 here, and therefore in our answer we will take the smallest value 1 and here 6. Therefore 16 is the answer for the cube root of 4096. You can check on Calci also. The answer will be 16. Easy or not? Let us do or practice the same thing with few more examples so that you can understand the trick and remember throughout. So second example, if you want to find the cube root of this larger number, that is 551368. So for that, divide this into 3 groups, that is 3, 6, 8, one group, and remaining digit another one group, that is 551. So 3, 6, 8. 8 is the last digit of that group. So if 8 is last digit, in whose cube 8 is last digit, so it is in the cube of 2. 8 is the last digit in the cube of 2. Therefore in our answer 2 will be the last digit of our answer. So last digit we have got. For first we will concentrate on the first group, and first group is 551. You have to check in whose cube 551 falls, in between whose cube 551 falls. So it falls between the cube of 8 and 9, because cube of 8 is 5 to 1 and cube of 9 is 7 to 9. Therefore from that always you have to take the smallest digit, that is 8. In between 8 and 9, smallest digit is 8. Therefore in our answer 8 will be one digit and here 2 will be another digit. Therefore the cube root of that value will be 82. So let us take one more example. If you want to find the cube root of 91125, let us divide the one group of 3, that is 1 2 5, 3 digits. Another 2 digits remain in the second group. So first group 1 to 5, last digit is 5. If last digit is 5, it must be the cube of 5. Therefore last digit is fixed in our answer, that is 5. So for the first group 91, you have to check in between whose cube it falls. It falls between the cube of 4 and 5, because cube of 4 is 64, cube of 5 is 125. From that you have to take always the smallest digit, that is 4. Therefore answer will be 45. Easy or not? This method is only possible for perfect cube numbers, remember that. Now take one more example, that is 941192. From that make one group of 9192. 2 is last digit for the cube of 8. Therefore from that we will take 8 as our last digit in our answer. Remaining one group, that is 941, it falls between the cube of 9 and 10. From that whose smaller digit? 9 is smaller digit, therefore 9 will be in our answer. 98 will be my final answer for the cube of this. Next, let's take one more example. 343000. For that make group of all zeros. 0, it must end with the 0, because in the cube of 10 it is lastly 0. For digit having 0, cube will be also having 0. Therefore in our answer 0 will be last digit. 343 falls between whose? So 343 is cube of itself 7. Cube of 7. Therefore we will take 7 and our answer will be 70. 343000 will be cube of 70. Easy or not? So if you understand this procedure trick, you just like the video and find the answers of these questions and write in the comment box. Next, thanks for watching the video, and if any doubt, write in the comment box. If you are new to the channel, subscribe to this channel